Good morning, little ones. Welcome to online sessions. And today we will be learning Brain Developer for lesson number 7. I request you all to open page number 58 from your computer textbook. So, Brain Developer is an exercise which is given at the end of the lesson. Children, in previous class, we have studied lesson number 7. We learned about the data and memory. Today we will be solving the exercise related to it. So let us start with the section A. Here we will be solving section A. In section A they have given A, that is fill in the blanks. So fill in the missing letters using the given hints. Children, at the right side they have given some hints. You all have to use these hints to fill the correct answer. So let us start. Now see, the first hint is this one. So you all have to find out the missing number. So N is there and there is a blank. M is there. Again there is a blank and one more is a blank over there and R is there. So which will be the correct answer, children? Here just see and tell me. The correct answer is number. So here I will give number 1. So here I will be filling the missing letters, that is NUMBER. So like this way we can solve the other blanks. Now let us solve the second one. M dash Y. So what it might be, children? Which answer will be suitable for this square box? Let us search. M and Y is there. So 3 letters are missing over there. Let us fill and check. MEOR. So it becomes a memory. MEMORY, memory. So like this way you can fill the other blanks. Now let us come to the B, that is true or false. Write T for the true and F for the false. If the given statement is correct, then write it T in the given box. If the given statement is wrong, then write F in the box. Let us go to the first one. Data cannot be pictures. Is it, children? Data can be any kind of information which is stored in a computer. It might be a picture, it might be a text, or it might be a music file. Example, children, you all might have stored a photographs in mobile, isn't it, children? So this is false because they have given a wrong statement. So in the box I will be writing F. Now let me read the second one. A computer can remember the data stored in it. Is it, children? Yes, computer has a very good memory. So it can remember what the data or information which is stored in it. So it is a true, children. So here I will be writing T. Now third one. A computer works on its own. Is it, children? It doesn't need any help. No, it's a false because until unless human start the computer cannot work. So it needs a human to start itself. So this is false. That is, computer works on its own. Now fourth one you all can solve it by your own. Come, I will be going to the next one, that is section B. So they have given answer the following. Answer in one word. I will be writing the answer in only one word. First one. What do we call the words and numbers that enter into a computer? Any kind of letters, numbers which are entered into a computer is called data. So here I will write DATA, that is data. Now next one, where does a computer store its data? Yes children, where do you store whatever you have done? That will be stored in your memory. In the same way, computer will be storing the data into its memory unit. MEMORY. So it's a computer store its data in memory. So like this way you all can solve the second one answer. So I believe you all have understood the brain developer which is solved today. Thank you children. Have a nice day.